Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to design this amazing binder clip in SolidWorks step by step. This model looks simple but includes some really useful features like sheet metal, stand, shaping, bands, symmetry and wire handle design. If you enjoy SolidWorks tutorials and CAD modeling videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's aim for 25 likes on this video. Now let's start designing. Now we will create a part number 1. Top select front plane, draw a sketch like this. This is our clip body. As you can see on my screen, this line will be 7.75 and this distance will be 16.35 and the radius 4 mm. Select this and this. The total height will be 52. Make it tangent relation. Okay, our sketch is fully defined. The next step, select 3-point arc, create an arc like this and the radius is 3.65 mm. Zoom in and make it tangent. Now let's define horizontal distance. This distance 6.8 mm. The next step, select line like this and the length of the line will be 2.9 mm. Make it tangent relation. Once again select 3-point arc, create an arc like here, make it tangent and the radius will be 3.63 mm. From this point to the origin horizontal distance I am going to define 8 mm. Zoom in, create an arc like this. This is a small arc. This point to the origin point, the horizontal distance I am going to define 3 mm and these two make it tangent and the radius will be 19.10 mm. Okay, our sketch is fully defined. Now let's mirror this part. Before we mirror, we have to create a line here like this and okay, make it construction geometry. Still moving, I am going to define vertical. Next step, select all these things from right to the bottom left side and select all, mirror this. Okay, this is a shortcut. Go to swept boss, circular profile and the diameter 2.2 mm and okay. Let's assign the material and appearances. First we will save this part. I am going to create a folder like binder clip. Okay, and here I am going to write part 1. Save this, select part 1, metal and polished steel, choose this color and okay. This is our part now. Part number 1 has been completed. Now next step, let's create a second part. This is our clip. Select top plane, draw a central rectangle, the horizontal line 50 and the vertical 20. Sheet metal base flange and the sheet metal parameters, the thickness I'm going to define 0.5 mm. Okay. Next, select this face, draw a horizontal line like this and okay. Then go to sheet metal, sketch bend. I'm going to select this face. Oops. If I select this face, the right portion will be bent. If I select right face, left portion will be bent. And the bent sketch bend, I'm going to define 25. The radius will be 45 mm and okay. Isometric view, I'm going to use edge flange. Select this edge. The flange length will be 25 mm. The angle I'm going to define 130.75. The flange position I'm going to select this bend outside, so it will bend outside. Select this edge also. I can't select the edge because I have to select here and clear this. Select this edge and reverse the direction and that edge. I have to select multi length flange, then select this edge and okay. Again re-edit this edge flange. I'm going to define the default radius. The bend radius will be 0.7336 and okay. Next step, we will use ham feature, sheet metal. I'm going to use teardrop, bend outside, and the angle I will define. First I have to select these two edges, okay, and the angle 269 and the radius I will define 1.25. Everything is perfect, looks cool and okay. Now here ham feature we will cut some parts. How we can fold and unfold? Let's do this. Before we do, please hit the like button if you enjoy this and followed this tutorial. I highly appreciate. Select this face, collect all bends and okay. Isometric view, rotate it like this. Select this face, create a sketch, draw a center line, define this center line 32 mm. Now I am going to use 3-point arc slot, draw like this and drag it, and the radius will be 2. Select add relation, this point and that point, make it vertical and OK. Select this point and this horizontal distance will be 12 mm and the vertical distance I'm going to define this line to that center slot radius of the point will be 2.1 mm. Well, we have to merge this, make it coincident relation and OK. Now let's mirror this part. Create a horizontal line and make it construction geometry, select all and mirror this part and OK. Select extrude cut feature and OK. Next we will again cut this face, select this face, draw a horizontal line and make it construction geometry and vertical also and make it construction geometry. Here we will cut something. Select straight slot, draw slot here and the straight slot length will be 10 mm and the radius will be 2 mm and the angle I have defined 45 degree. This part is still moving. Let's fix this. Go to cut extrude 1. We have to see this previous sketch and make it tangent relation. Still moving. I'm going to define this also. I'm going to zoom in, select this and this, make it coincident. Okay. Let's mirror this part. Mirror entities. Select this oblong, make it vertical and OK. Now we will select both straight slot. Let's mirror all two slots, make it select it horizontal line and OK. Again use extrude cut, link to thickness and OK. Here I have made a mistake, so let's solve this issue. As you can see, something is not cut. So what I can do, as you can see on my screen, so this error will be solved by removing this tangent relation. How? Select this, carefully select, delete this, drag this, select this point and this line, make it coincident. If you see, it will cut. This time I'm going to use cut extrude feature. How? Let's see. Select this face, draw a sketch and convert entity, zoom in, select this face and that face. OK. Go to extrude cut and OK. This way we have cut unwanted parts. It might create. Before we do unfold, let's do fold. Select this edge, collect all bends and OK. Hide these sketches we have created. Now isometric view, let's assign the material and color. I'm going to select whatever color you want to do. Yellow looks cool. I'm going to use green and save this part number 2 clip. This will be our final step. Go to part assembly, insert these two components, select these and these, drag this and OK. Now let's apply mate. Go to mates. I'm going to use part 1 right plane, a clip, and this one, and OK, make it coincident. Isometric view. You must float to two parts. OK, let's select this face and this face, make it concentric relation. Now part 1 I'm going to use fix and it will move like this. Let's apply parallel mates. How? I will show you step by step. Rotate part like this. Part 1 front plane. Okay, and this face, make it parallel. And drag this one. I'm going to use a copy by using a control key. Select this and this, make it concentric, rotate it, go to front plane of this part and this one, make it parallel. Again go to mates, parallel, and reverse the alignment. The next step, I'm going to use select zoom in this face and that face, make it coincident and OK. This way we have created a binder clip design. And our SolidWorks binder clip design is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something useful from it. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more SolidWorks tutorial and 3D CAD projects. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.